built for this. My head can't make any damn sense of this, so listen. Can't remember the smell and I can't recall the taste, but I try every day. If I wasn't so afraid, I'd shine a light up to space. Then my soul could be strong enough to see your face. One more day. One more day. I found notes that you hid, sharing secrets and fears that were meant to stay here. Moving stuff out your room leaves me emptier than the room where you stayed. If I wasn't so afraid, I'd shine a light up to space. Then my soul could be strong enough to see your face. Give me one more day.